All right, folks, so this is one of my favorite steps, probably because I've spent so much time with it. It's the loose legs. This step is sort of the culmination of several steps that we've learned leading up to this. We learned the chase in the white belt module. We learned the cross step / cross drag in the yellow belt module, which gave us more of a glide. This step is going to give us a more accented feel using an extra heel toe. But all of these steps are related. This step gets its feel from Cuban salsa, but also I've seen b-boy top rock that resembles a loose leg. So if you've practiced any other styles where you have movement that resemble this step, try to draw on that experience and use it to get this one. But we're going to break it down slow because this can get a little bit hairy, a little bit fast. So I'll show you some progressions. We're going to get the loose legs. Be patient. So the loose legs is another progression from the chase. We learned the cross drag in a previous tier. Now we're going to add another degree of intricacy by combining our heel toe with our chase to create a variation called loose legs. Start with the heel toe jack. Simply alternate feet, transferring weight between sides, and try to incorporate your jack over your heel toe. The timing should be 1 and 2 and. Now we're going to try a progression where we do 3 heel toes. On the 3rd heel toe, try to angle your body and cross your toe in front. The way we progress from this is after that 3rd heel toe, transfer your weight to your left hip and left foot and do a ball change, left-right. Don't travel too far side to side and try to maintain the jack as you step out on that side foot. Eventually, you can start over after you ball change. You're going to do a heel toe 3 times, starting with your left foot. And then the 3rd heel toe is going to cross over and you ball change with the right. Try doing this on both sides to get used to shifting your weight from the heel toe to the ball change. Eventually, you're going to reduce the number of heel toes to just 1, and you're going to cross each time. The timing is going to be 1 and 2 and. Heel, toe, ball, change. Still keep the jack over all of your movements. Should be on the heel, and the side step is where you'll be jacking forward. Alternate this until it becomes second nature. As you get more comfortable grounding yourself with your knees, try to increase the angle that you can ball change out to make it feel like when you twist your body forward doing the chase. You can turn your body up to 90 degrees and then pull your hips back to face forward as you do your heel toe to transfer your weight. Think of the heel toe as a transfer from one side of the chase to the other. To gradually increase your tempo change, try to make the timing between the heel and the toe quicker
Pause for a second and then do the ball change quicker. Think your timing is going to be 1 and, 2 and. When you finish each of these quicker movements, try to keep your body still so that you have to use your muscles and engage them to feel where you end up in each step. After you speed up every 2 beats, try to speed up every 4. Heel toe ball change. Heel toe ball change. Try this for a bit, and then eventually try to do it without stopping at all. If you build up in this way, you're going to develop better habits within your loose legs to be able to do it continuously and maintain a groove. You don't want to feel stiff doing this step. You want to maintain your jack, keep your knees bent, and be able to use your hips to move around. If you keep your hands in front of your torso, just like the chase, you'll be able to use them to balance yourself and help facilitate any twisting that you do with your hips and upper body. Last but not least, try to stay a little bit up on the balls of your toes when you start to move quicker, so that way your footwork can be faster. This step takes some time to really master, so don't worry if you don't get it right away. Just keep practicing and eventually the habits will pay off.